Hey guys, we're gonna be doing some Magic Girl makeup. I love doing Magic Girl makeup looks, or like Sailor Venus's makeup has always been my absolute favorite to do. I really like anything glittery and colorful, so let's get to it. Whenever I cosplay a blonde character, I always just, because I already have pretty light hair and kind of thin eyebrows, so I'm between like this palette and I gotta use the Sailor Moon palette if we're cosplaying a Sailor Moon character, but obviously like orange is her color and like there's not a lot of orangey shades. I am running out of room in my vanity. For the base, I'm gonna use this Shining Moon, and that is going all over everything. For like this area, I'm going to do orange, like bright orange. So now I'm gonna use this yellow for the lid, and then for the outer to blend everything, I'm gonna use this shade. And that makes the orange a little bit more neutral. On the inner corners, I'm gonna be adding this white glitter with my hand. Oh, I messed up. Operation remove the eyeliner. No, it's too late. I need a Q-tip. I stubbed my toe. Voila, there's our eyes. I know. I haven't put on eyelashes, but we're not doing that yet. So, next up, we're gonna do foundation. My new favorite foundation lately. It's the MAC Cream to Powder Studio Fix stuff. I absolutely love it. It's worth every penny in my opinion. Ta-da! I wonder if I can click it to before and after. I don't know, I just feel like it adds some like it blends, like it's nearly a perfect match, but at the same time, like it makes me look like I actually have vitamin D every now and then, and I don't just live in a sunless, cold, snowy, dreary upstate New York. And then I just blend with my hand a little, because I did have beauty blenders, but I threw them all out because they get really crusty and they're really hard to clean. I guess you can keep them alive for a while, but like, I don't know, these get kind of gross. I can always wash my hands. Now that my skin looks like there's nothing to it, let's add some depth to it. Depth. Normally I would do it under the eye, but you see how this is like a nub right now? I don't think there's any way to like make it go out either, you know? Or I think I broke it a while ago. I don't know, there should just be a way that you can like extend it, you know what I mean? But we'll never know, and I need to buy more sometime. See, I like adding that, do a bunch of that towards the outer corner. Ta-da! And then it looks very sparkly too. So now I'm gonna contour. Now it looks a little bit lip gloss. Alright, you can see the lip gloss made a difference. So the last thing to do is fake eyelashes. And then I'll show you guys it all put together.